Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So, find the exact value, the tangent of the arc cosine 3/5. Okay, well this says use a right triangle to evaluate, so I'm going to draw a right triangle. Okay, so it says the arc cosine, so cosine is 3/5. So we're looking for this. Hey, if it's a 3 and a 5, what's the other angle? Not the other angle, the other side. It's a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Do you see that? Because I know stuff about Pythagorean triples, I could a squared plus b squared equals c squared that if I wanted to. Okay, so because it was this one, oh, wait, I'm backwards, aren't I? Okay. So still going to be a 3, 4, 5. Okay, but this one should be 3, this one should be 4, yeah? Okay, now I want the tangent of that. So the tangent of this angle is 4/3. So it's really like doing the thing on the inside and then doing the part on the outside. So let's see, oh, this one might be a little bit more. Okay, so the sine inverse of 2/3. Okay, so the sine is 2, so that really, actually, this time it is here, 2, 3. Okay, so this one is square root of 5. If you're like, what? Well, 2 squared plus x squared equals 3 squared. So 4 plus equals 9. So x squared, do you see it? So therefore it's square root of 5. Okay, and now that I found that, it's this angle that I'm doing. Now I want the cosine. Well, the cosine of that is adjacent. So cosine is square root of 5/3. All right, another one. Find the exact value of this. Well, that's got to be down here. So sine -3 opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, I want tangent, so I have to find -3 squared plus whatever squared equals 8 squared. So this is 64. This is 9 plus, we'll just call it x squared. Okay, so -9 minus 9, so x squared equals 55. Does anything come out of that? Nope. So it's just root 55. So it's the tangent. The tangent is -3 over the square root of 55. And you know you can't leave it like that. Root 55. Root 55. So it is -3 root 55 over 55. You're like, that's ugly. Yeah. Pretty cool. It's always ugly. Not always, but mostly. Okay, now here's where we go to the unit circle. Okay, so the tangent of pi/4. Tangent of pi/4. That's 1. Love those, because square root 2/2 over square root 2/2. Okay, now I want to find the cosine of what? So this one give me 1. So the cosine of what angle gives me 1? So where is 1? Cosine inverse, like what gives me 1? It's right here. So the cosine of 0. So you just do the part on the inside and then you do the outside to it. And it has to be in the correct, like, quadrants. So let's keep going. Okay, tan inverse square root of 3. So where is the tangent square root of 3? Well, that right there, I've got to get a square root 3 on the top, so that would be the y value over the x value. So I think it's going to be square root of 3, 2, and then over 1/2 to like make those cancel. So x value is 1/2, y is square root of 3 over 2. So that's got to be a pi over 3. Now, so this right here is pi over 3. And so now what is cosine of pi over 3? 1/2. It's that. Because cosine is always the x value. And that lives within the constraints. There we go. Let's see. All right. So the tan inverse is x. So that's going to be the y value. So we're just going to stop here. We'll come back to this on the next video.